Hello everyone, I am Arul Nadar. A warm welcome. Speaking about legal service authorities and justice amid COVID-19. How did the legal service authority started? Legal aid scheme was first introduced by Justice Bhagavati under legal committee formed in 1971. What are the legal services? To provide free and competent legal services to the weaker sections of society. To ensure that opportunity for securing justice are not denied to any citizen by reason of economic or other disabilities, and to organize Lok Adalats for the amicable settlement of disputes which are either pending or which are yet to be filed by way of compromise. What is included in free legal services? First, representation by an advocate in legal proceedings, payment of process fees, expenses of witness and all other charges. Third, preparation of pleadings. Fourth, drafting of legal documents, etc. And fifth, supply of certified copies of judgments, orders. Is free legal aid confined to the cases before the subordinate courts? It is from the subordinate court to Supreme Court of India. Can I choose a lawyer of my choice under the free legal aid services or aid? Yes, it is possible to avail the service of a lawyer of your choice under free legal aid services. According to Regulation 7 Clause 6 of the National Legal Service Authority, Free and Competent Legal Services Regulation 2010. Can I get only free legal consultation even if I do not want to pursue a proper case in the courts? Yes, it is possible to get any kind of legal services under free legal aid services. Can I get free legal aid lawyer at any stage of my cases? Yes, you can apply to get free legal aid at any stage of the case, as long as you are eligible to attain free legal services as per Section 12 of the Legal Service Authorities Act 1987. Now, during the COVID-19 amid lockdown, is the service delivered effectively? Impact of lockdown and necessary legal assistance. This pandemic and the subsequent lockdown have caused extremely misery to the poor and poor sections of society. From food to basic survival necessities, they took the worst hit out of all. NALSA in this situation crucially urgency responded to address the concerns of poor and weaker sections of society. NALSA issued an order directing the state legal service authorities to assist and provide legal aid to those in need of it. The importance of legal aid during events like this is paramount. In many countries like South Africa and Kenya, legal aid and services are categorized as essential services so that they can be provided to the people of the country seamlessly. Pursuant to the nationwide lockdown declared by Government of India, consequently it led extraordinary changes in the life of people, and cases of domestic violence, child abuse, sexual harassment, these all quite increased. In order to curb the aforesaid situation, Delhi State Legal Service Authority Southeast has established Help Desk 1516 24/7 for domestic violence, child abuse, sexual harassment, Labour Act, Labour Worker by assigning Legal Aid Council on 12th, 13th, 17th and 20th of this month, June 2020, from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. on mentioned dates at Mother Dairy, near Sevanagar, KM-Pur, New Delhi. Authoritative states cut corners on their citizens' fundamental rights, using force disappropriately and passing exploitive laws. The pandemic has forced the government to suspend work, movement, businesses, services, liberty and many more. The constitution itself, however, cannot be suspended. Any measures enforced under statutory frameworks must obey to the constitution. Nevertheless, practically with near complete shutdown of India's justice system, such operation of the constitution lies in intermediate state. Peculiarly, the judiciary too has retreated into background. While the higher courts are hearing urgent matters, the lower courts are entertaining only remand cases. In doing so, they have yielded important constitutional legal space to the executive. Video-based online proceedings have proposed as the alternative, but their success rests on assumption that everyone has equal access to properly functioning equipment as well as fast internet. The idea also assumes that all courts are internet enabled and all functionaries are tech savvy. The spread of coronavirus and this extraordinary lockdown have posed serious challenges to governments and organizations across the world. The supply of basic amenities and justice in this modern world, the active role of legal service authorities have ensured a flow of assistance from the state to the people. During this time of public health emergency, legal service authorities took active charge and have responded to address all concerns. In addition to facilitating legal aid to the poor and the weaker sections of the society, NALSA has, through its competent workforce, ensured that essentials and legal reach all people. Various helpline numbers and distress numbers are helping people access aid. Both essential and legal incidents of domestic violence are on rise, and is ensured that victims have access to legal system with the help of Ministry of Women and Children. In a nutshell, NALSA, as the apex legal service authority in India, stood up to its task and has helped the government to ensure the safety and security of everyone across the geographical boundaries. And justice is being served by judiciary system amid COVID-19 at its peak. I would like to conclude by saying justice must not become a casualty to the pandemic. Thank you.